Hi, my name is Gerhard Schwadner, and welcome to Selling Power TV. Today, we have the great pleasure of meeting with David Eade. He is the Director, Analytics and Research Practice at the Alexander Group. Welcome, David.
Thank you, Gerhard. Nice to be here.
So you are saying that AI is going to change the way we sell, the way we work, and the way we live.
It's not going to be an immediate thing. We view AI as kind of a disruptor in the marketplace that we're seeing right now. AI is ultimately a tool that helps to accelerate things that sales reps are already doing on a regular basis. And that's really how we view it. We more view it as a tool, much like we've seen other tools that have come along in the years past, but albeit a much more powerful one.
AI is like sneakers for the mind that allows you to run faster and go further.
I like that.
What do sales leaders need to know about AI and its potential?
What I would recommend to leaders this year is that they consider places where they want to invest AI and test things out and begin to build that into their organization and see where they're getting value by the end of the year, then decide where they want to consider investing more, doing broader implementations of rollouts as they roll into 2025. There's not one tool that fits perfectly for everyone. What really matters is understanding your current capabilities of your organization, what growth plays you excel well at, and what drive ultimately towards your overall business goals, whether it be profitability, growth, a combination of the two, sales, performance, and then thinking about within that, which growth plays you can execute on, and ultimately whether machine learning, generative AI, or a combination of the two in terms of the types of tool applications would actually support you. For example, if you are looking to improve your cross and upsell rates, you might want to think about implementing some tools within the cross and upselling world that might support your sales reps. So having rep intelligence so they can, when they're sitting on a call with an existing customer, they might be in real time being fed information about products that would be a good fit for that customer based on 100 different variables that a model is tracking. After the call, an AI tool could be summarizing what happened in the call and then offering them suggestions on ways to pitch new products or new services or additional products. The generative AI part is feeding the information directly to sales reps, so it makes it easy for them to refine and send the message out to their contacts or their customers to sort of ultimately drive more sales and whatnot.
How do you make sales reps prompt savvy?
What you have to do is a couple things. So one is train them on the basics, but two is take the difficulty out of their hands. Ultimately, those prompts and the training of the AI model, if you will, should be done by an organization that understands the culture of what you're trying to do as a business and how sales reps work on a regular basis, so that a sales rep can come in and pick from a list of prompts, so they can write their own prompt. But ultimately the model that you've built and trained internally is fine-tuned to the needs of your business, which will ultimately give the sales rep what they need so they get good value from it, and it actually ends up being a productivity enabler for them.
What kind of program do you recommend where salespeople can learn more about AI? Or are you making any PDFs available, any research that people can benefit from?
We've put together a set of research that focuses on growth plays. So whether it be standing up an inside sales organization, building a lead generation model, cross and upselling, delivering service excellence, building and managing a revenue operations organization, we have AI use cases. So real accounts of how organizations are using AI to improve those growth plays, as well as case studies that we're sharing with folks that can be really helpful from a leadership standpoint in terms of figuring out areas to invest and why the investment might be valuable. Separately for sales reps, I'll go a completely different direction. My experience is there's a lot of great content out there in social media, particularly on LinkedIn, about sales reps using a variety of different AI tools to help them with their day-to-day work. As a sales rep, you can learn from others on LinkedIn about how they're doing research on customers, how they're generating hundreds of emails using ChatGPT and other large language models that are 99% or 95% of the way done. And all they have to do is tweak it and send it along to save them anywhere from 2 to 10 hours per week.
And what can people go to get some of the case studies that you mentioned earlier?
We will have available some content on our website, and they're welcome to contact us, and we're happy to share a briefing as well as some details on the use cases and the case studies that we've compiled through our research. And we will be putting out additional versions of the growth plays tied to AI research throughout the rest of the year.
So for anybody who wants to learn more, go to the alexandergroup.com. Thank you so much, Davis.
Thank you, Gerhard.